This is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. And one of the best uses for these big slabs of wood we found is headboards. It's very dramatic. It's a great way to utilize them. This one is Banon. We have a great project on the Big Island right now that's getting a number of headboards, one of each of the woods of Hawaii. This is also going to be magnificent. This is lychee, the biggest lychee we've ever come across. Now, one of the things we've found with headboards is the question of how to attach them. Because if you try to attach it to a bed frame, you'd have to do so much engineering, add so much structure, because you can imagine, if you're lucky, that headboard is going to be subject to some stresses. So to attach it to the base and have it stable requires quite a bit of engineering. So for the sake of simplicity, one way to do it is just to attach it directly to the wall. And a great way to do that is with the use of a French cleat. And that's a very simple thing to make. Making your French cleat is the simplest thing in the world. You can just do that on the table saw with just a couple of cuts. One more cut. So with these two pieces, you take one of them. So imagine this is the front of your headboard. So here's the back of your headboard. Now, this one you screw into the back of the headboard itself, and the corresponding piece you hang on the wall like this, so that with this bolted into the wall, you can then just lift this and set it. Imagine this like this. This is in the wall, and then it just sets and nests neatly there. Now you do have a space, in this case about 1.25 inches. So that could be a shadow line, or there's other ways of dealing with that. But the shadow line can be nice, especially if you have a live edge piece. It really shows off the profile. And that's how we make headboards.